Izzy from Tech, the Global Tire and Wheel Authority, here to let you know that this repair shop follows Tech's industry-recognized tire repair process using trusted Tech products. Tech created the REP-AIR process for proper tire repair. This chart provides the details for each of the 6 repair steps. This shop and Tech care about you, your family, and your tires. You can be confident that you will be protected by riding on properly serviced wheels and tires. Let's break this down. The R stands for remove the tire from the wheel and inspect. E stands for evaluate the injury. P, prepare the injury area. A, apply the vulcanizing fluid. I, install the repair. And R, return the tire to service. Thanks for watching, and when you need your tire repaired, insist on Tech Tire and Wheel Repair products.